sticking with my phone. Sorry, Fairfield. Alrighty. Should we do one more? Thank you so much, you guys. You're the kindest. I almost made all the way to the dressing room and I was like, oh, fuck it, I'm back on. Okay, I'll go back on. This is a song called Going Blood. If you're playing for me in the chorus, we'll have a good time. You got an addiction, a realistic mission. Cigarettes and alcohol, you lost yourself. Telling the same stories you told me last week. The bar is closing, darling, please put that bottle down. 1, 2, 3, 4, come on, babe, there's the door. 5, 6, 7, 8, I'm your girlfriend, not your maid. 7, 8, 9, 10, if you go down, you will get up again. 4, 3, 2, 1, let's go away, go away. Sorry, Mr. Einstein's already past your bedtime. Acting big and talking, get over yourself. I'm sure you would go very far if you even had a car, but I hate to inform you, still living in your mother's hell. 1, 2, 3, 4, come on, babe, there's a door. 5, 6, 7, 8, I'm your girlfriend, not your maid. 7, 8, 9, 10, if you go down, you will get up again. 4, 3, 2, 1, let's go away, go away, go. Let's go away, go away, go. Someone always says you were sick and never see everybody shouldn't calm you down. Tell me what you do if it wasn't with you and there was somebody else around.